So our Henners non-vintage English sparkling on the core list of Hotel de Van. So firstly, a quick look at the label. So on the label here, we've got production of England, because this wine is grown and made in England. Henners is the brand, the company that make these English sparkling wines. Brut is the style of wine, which means it's dry. And NV stands for non-vintage. That means that the wine isn't from a specific vintage, the wine is blended from more than 1 year. So Henners is our collaboration English sparkling producer. It's the producer that we have decided to work with Hotel de Van, and they produce some fantastic quality English sparkling wines at a really affordable price. So Henners is based on the East Sussex, south part of the UK, and actually this producer is just outside Eastbourne, which is on the south coast, which is east of Brighton as an example. So this Brut is made in the traditional sparkling wine method, the same method and the same varieties that they use in the Champagne region of France. So firstly, a little talk about the varieties. So there are 3 varieties that go into making this English sparkling: Chardonnay, Pinot Noir and Pinot Meunier. So those are the 3 traditional varieties from the Champagne region. Secondly, the wine is aged in the bottle and secondary fermentation takes place in the bottle, and then they leave the wine to have contact with that the dead yeast, which is called the lees, in the bottle to give it that character and texture. This wine actually spends about 30 months aging on its lees in the bottle before the wine is disgorged, which means that the yeast is removed and the wine is sealed and then aged for a little longer before it's sold to the consumer. So it's a great quality, well-made, affordable English sparkling wine. This wine will go well with a range of dishes on our Bistro de Van menu, especially starter dishes like the tiger prawns and such forth, but it'll also go fantastically well with a range of desserts. Not necessarily the obvious pairing, but sparkling, traditional method sparklings and desserts is a fantastic pairing because of that bright acidity really complementing the dessert dish as well. It of course can be enjoyed as a pre-dinner drink in the restaurants and bars, it doesn't have to be enjoyed with food. Finally, service for the Henners Brut non-vintage is just in a traditional sparkling flute.